In this video, I'm going to make hair mask by using some most common natural ingredients like aloe vera, shikakai, rita, amla and more to treat oily roots and flaky scalp. Hello and welcome to Cosmetic Academy. For making this hair mask, we need a cup of kada, multani mitti or fuller's earth, amla powder, rita powder, shikakai, fresh aloe vera leaves, knife and a container, and yes, of course, empty bowls and spoons. Quantity for this mask is in the ratio of 1:1:1, that is equal amount of rita, amla, shikakai and multani mitti. Okay, let's start making it. Firstly, I'm taking aloe vera leaves. Make sure your aloe vera should be fresh and fluffy. The purpose of this mask is that the people who have oily roots often complain about having a flaky scalp that makes all the freshness go away the very next day after the head wash. If your scalp produces excess sebum, you know what I'm talking about. So here's how you can address that problem and control it with some very easily available ingredients. Do you know the best form of the aloe vera to use on your hair is the raw gel of plant. Aloe vera cleans the shaft efficiently, stripping off the extra sebum, that is the oil. It contains the vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E. All these three vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and gives you a shiny hair. Now I'm adding the shikakai powder. Shikakai have vitamin C which promotes the hair growth by controlling hair fall. It also exhibits insecticidal properties that helps in killing lice on the scalp. Okay, so after that I'm adding rita powder in it. So rita is a rich source of antioxidant. Powdered rita is known to fight the various problems affecting the scalp including dandruffs. Now I'm adding multani mitti in it. The work of multani mitti in this mask is that it's absorb the excess oil from your oily scalp. Amla powder. Amla is a natural oxidizing agent that gives your scalp a stem cell therapy. A stem cell therapy is a process that helps to generate a new hair and prevent from hair graying. After adding all the powders, mix them properly. This is how they look like. After this, add the aloe vera pulp, that is aloe vera gel. So aloe vera contains something called the proteolytic enzymes which repair the dead cells on the scalp. In this mask, this aloe vera promotes the hair growth, prevent itching on the scalp and reduce the dandruff and also condition our hair. After this, add the kada in it and mix it well. Basically, from its color, we can say that it helps to enhance the hair color. This also helps to keep the hair soft and shiny, and it prevents from split ends, and also it soothes the irritable scalp. In the bowl, we have all the ingredients. Now what we need to do is mix all the ingredients together to create a paste. The consistency of this mask is depend on you. According to it, you can vary the quantity of the kada. And one more thing, you can add 10 drops of lemon juice in it if you don't have colored hair. I'm making this paste for my father, so he has colored hair, so I'm not using lemon in it. You know, I just love to blend this all ingredients with the blender. So we have done. This is our paste. How can you use this paste? Apply the paste on your scalp and wait for 20 to 25 minutes. This paste will not lather you like regular shampoo, but it will totally clean your scalp because the Rita and Shikakai, that is, Shikakai is known as the soap pod and Rita is known as a soap nut. So what they both do is they work up a ladder when water is added to it. So in this way, it will totally clean your scalp and leaving it fresher for longer time. If your scalp is super oily, you can use a mild shampoo to rise off this mask. Otherwise, there is no need to use the shampoo. I am applying this mask on my hands so that you can see how it's look like after the application. So this is a muddy brown in the appearance and slightly trembling in touch, but it will give you a very good spread. Within this quantity only, you can apply the mask to hair length of 20 to 28 inches. So this is a hair mask which treat the oily roots and the flaky scalp. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.